Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to add custom font size in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now we want to add custom font size. Firstly, go to the home menu, then click the new slide option and click the blank slide. Then go to the insert menu, click the text box option and draw a text box. Now I am paste any text. Now you can see here the text. Firstly, I am select the text, click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the home menu. Now we want to add the custom font size, click inside the font size option, then write my font size. Now I am write 80. Now we can see we added custom font size very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.